Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, andito na naman tayo guys. Mag-update tayo ng ating latest visa bulletin guys. So, March visa bulletin guys already released. So, mag-update na naman tayo ngayon guys. So, ano naman ang date of cut-off sa March 2024 visa bulletin. So disclaimer guys, this video guys is only a basic information. We're just only sharing updates of the visa bulletin monthly. So ito nga guys, March 2024 already released and published in the website. And also guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the button below. Support my channel guys. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-subscribe. So kahit pa paano guys, tumataas na yung ating subscription dito sa ating channel. So thank you so much guys for your support. And I hope guys na nakapag-share ako ng details or updates dito sa ating pinaprocess na USRN AB3 visa. Kung meron kayong mga comments guys or meron kayong mga tanong, clarification, inquiries, so you can just put comments in my video, then I hope that I can reply you immediately with your inquiries. So thank you again guys, thank you so much. So let's go guys, we will proceed again to our topic for today. So yun na nga po guys, no, na-release na yung March 2024 visa bulletin. Ang cut-off dates niya guys is September 8, 2022. So meron ding movement guys, congratulations. Hindi nga lang more excited kasi only 7 days ang movement niya. So from February to March, ang movement niya is only 7 days. At least merong movement kaysa wala. So not like from other countries, so wala talaga siyang movement. So yan guys, so bali check natin yung dito sa website, yung visa bulletin. Yan, so visa bulletin. Click natin ulit dito guys. So ito na yun guys, no? So ito yung February, ito yung March. So ito yung last 2 months latest visa bulletin for February 2024 and March 20. Guys, so click natin yan. Punta tayo sa baba. So visa bulletin for March 2024. Punta tayo dito sa ating EB3. So ito yung pang-employment base EB3 visa. Dito guys, ito yung portion na to. So meron tayong previous vlog nito guys. Ngayon, dito tayo sa third preference. So, dito yung EB3 guys, which is, ito nga yung new cut-off dates guys as of March 2024 is September 8, 2002. So, ito yung comparison natin guys, no? So, ito yung February, ito yung March. Ngayon, yung February guys, yung Philippines, yung last cut-off niya is September 1, 2002. Dito naman sa March 2024 visa bulletin, yung cut-off niya is September 8, 2002. So, again guys, congratulations. Magpasalamat pa rin tayo. At least merong movement kahit 7 days lang. Sige lang guys, magkakaroon din tayo lahat. Importante, meron ka ng priority date and especially kung document qualified ka na. So, hintay lang tayo ng hintay dito guys. So, ito nga yun guys, no, employment base. Tapos ito naman yung rest of the world. So nag-move din sila guys, no. So yung rest of the world, same cut-off dates September 8, 2002. Yung China guys, from February to March hindi siya nag-move, no guys. So yung China mainland from February to March, so hindi siya nag-move. So at least guys, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, at least yung Philippines is nag-move at least 7 days. Yung India, from February, July 1, 2012 to March, wala ring movement guys. So China and India, visa bulletin from February to March, wala siyang movement. Yung Mexico guys, nag-move din siya from February to March, nag-move din siya. Tsaka yung yun nga guys, yung sa atin, yung Philippines. So yun nga guys, at least kahit paano yung Philippines ay nag-move comparing to China and India, which is hindi nag-move from February to March. So, laban lang guys, importante nga tulad ng sabi ko, at least meron ka ng priority date, tsaka document qualified ka na. So, in the next video guys, siguro gagawa na rin tayo ng vlog with regards to DS260. So, paano ba mag-fill up ng DS260? Kasi ito yung DS260 guys is dito nag-i-start para ikaw ay ma-DQ or yung tinatawag na document qualified. So, kung may mga tanong ka dyan guys, kung paano fill upan yung form, stay tuned. So, gagawa tayo ng video dyan guys. So, again guys, congratulations yung pasok na sa visa bulletin for 7 days. Dahil mag-move na kayo to the next level or to the next step, consulate interview na yan guys, no? So, congratulations. Then, yung hindi pa naman current, stay tuned lang tayo guys. Abang-abang lang tayo for the next update. Huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa guys. At least nandito na tayo. Laban lang. So muli guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, support my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye!